Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set up welcome emails. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So this time we will be using MailChimp. You have to log into your MailChimp, go to the left side, go to automations. Here you have to tap on get started. Click this one right here. Now, after that, what you're going to do next is you have to simply add here the welcome email. So this is the flow. If you tap that one, you can now add the sender, you can now add the subject, you can now add schedule, and for tracking, this one is optional. So now you can add or you can set up your welcome emails right here. So once you've added the sender, the subject, and then set the schedule, you can now add the template. Choose from any template here, tap on apply. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing, and here it is. Now you can add the logo. You can add blocks, fields, elements. You just have to drag it to the page. Now, once done, then all you have to do is to preview and then save this. Now, here's the thing, since this one is automation, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this one. But once you have unlocked or once you have upgraded your plan, all you have to do is to publish this, copy, and then paste it to wherever you want to paste. And to see the result, this is what it looks like. And all you have to do, you can also save this one, or you can upgrade your plan in order for you to copy the link and then paste it anywhere. But basically, this is how to set up welcome emails using MailChimp. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.